gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain.
Hi guys. I don't know what I'm laughing at. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ruth, for those who are new, and yeah, that's it. We're shooting another vlog. So I have some footage from yesterday, but yesterday was a Sunday. I went to church and then did a little bit of shopping with my friend. So Mr. Price said today is a Monday, by the way, and yeah. So Mr. Price has a sale, and we passed by. But unfortunately, the adult ladies' clothes that they have gets like keyboard large, or the nice stuff that I saw keyboard large, so I didn't get anything for myself. But I did find this cute dress for Heyyyy. She actually hasn't seen this. I really like it. It was 90 pula, and then it was 40 bucks on sale, which is really nice. It's actually a very nice dress. It's a cute dress. And her favorite color is purple, so I can't wait for her to see this. That's literally all I got from Mr. Price. But my friend actually got quite a number of things. So if you're like a size large or up, swing by, okay? They're really nice stuff. Winter stuff, summer stuff, whatever. Then I went to Mr. Price's home. I saw Ruth K while I was watching her vlog. So she did buy these. These are like stemless wine glasses. And I've actually been looking for these. So I'm like, yes, I'm gonna get these. So yeah, there were 10 bucks, 9.99. So I got 4 of these because it's just weird for me to get 1 or 2 things. So yeah, I got 4 of these. I'm so excited. I really like this for breakfast. Hey, I like these a lot. Like having breakfast with like orange juice in this. So yeah, I'm really happy. I'm really happy that I got these. And then, so when I go to my friend's house, I was actually going to do her nails. She goes to the room, comes back, and she's like, happy belated birthday. Guys, get out of blender. Because I have a blender. And you know what I did all night, last night? I was searching for smoothie recipes. Like I literally want to do something. I wish I had the money to buy some fruits because I need to. So yeah, it is a Defy. I haven't tried this, but the one thing that I love the most about this is that it's actually glass. Like the plastic ones tend to discolor a bit, you know, as you continue to use them. So I'm this girl now. Hey? Get excited over. Like I'm so happy. I just need to blend something. Anything. But yeah, I'm really happy and I thought I should show you guys. So yeah, in my last vlog, I said that I was gonna do Riley's hair. We managed to do that, but I haven't put the ends in like hot water. So that's what I do every time. Like after plaiting singles, I have to put the ends in hot water. I don't know why we do it. Why do people do it? I don't know. I guess it just makes the ends smoother, if I put it that way. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Like I literally did her hair 4 days ago on Thursday. Today's a Monday. So yeah, we never had the time to do that. Okay, we did have the time, but Riley's just, she's a handful. So yeah, we are gonna do that today. She wants to curl her hair, but I told her we'll do it like maybe after a week or something, so that she can enjoy the braids straight first. So I'm gonna curl her, then I can show her the dress. Then we'll put her hair in hot water. Oh, by the way, I'm starting the vlog here because I'm tired of starting my vlogs in my room, guys. That's the ghetto. Anyways, let me call Riley. Your lips are so dry. I got you this.
This?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Mm-hmm.
What's this?
Putulova.
A dress?
Yeah.
Thank you, Mommy.
Do you like
I
it?
thought that was my favorite
I
color.
know. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
Come show them you did your hair.
Yeah, I do my hair. Just like my mom.
So yeah, let's put your braids in hot water, okay? Ma? Put that in the basket. Guys, I can't find my coverage. Anyway, today's a Monday. I'm gonna Monday. Today's a Tuesday. It's the next day. I'm gonna meet my friend for breakfast. So I'm trying to cover my face a little bit. But I can't find my coverage. Guys, do you see how my face is breaking out? I think every time before, like that time of the month, like a week or so, my face just breaks out and it's really annoying me. At least it doesn't leave like dark marks. But these like little pimple spots, I don't like them. I don't. Let's see if that'll work. I'm just trying and blend that. I'm gonna be mad if it doesn't work out, okay? I'm really gonna be mad. Guys, I'm here and I look funny. I think because I didn't contour my nose, maybe. So let me just do that. Oh, we're going to Dros Malapo, or we are by Dros Malapo. So I'm in the parking lot. So let me just quickly do that to my face. And then this lipstick that I applied, I don't like it. It's nude. I'm wearing my pink hat either way. So, yeah, I didn't highlight my face. So I'm just going to use this eyeshadow from Signature. And my cheeks. I don't think I should have used this shade though. That's better. Let's give a shot top on, guys. Let's go. I don't even apply mascara, and I don't think I have it with me. You guys saw how many bags of makeup I have, so it's probably in one of them. But you know what? It is what it is. I think I look quite decent. So let me put on my hat. Then I put on my shoes. Hey la, mix it a lip gloss. Oh, here. This is actually Adriza's, but I think if I mix it with like the nude lipstick, it'll be better. I think my lips are cracking. I don't drink enough water. Guys, my lips look funny. I look decent, ne? Like it's not what I want. It's not how I want it to look, but it's okay. I'll show you guys once I'm outside. Hi guys, so I'm back home. Well, I've been home. It's been, I don't know, 30 minutes to an hour since I've been back. But yeah, really enjoyed. The lighting wasn't good inside drawers where we were. But yeah, the food was nice. It's filling. So yeah, they still had that special earlier breakfast. So yeah, I really missed going out for like breakfast dates. So yeah, I think it's safe to say that breakfast dates are my favorite. So yeah, plus I just missed catching up with my friend and just talking. Like, I think every time I'm with her, I get a lot of wisdom and stuff like that. Like, I just get to open up and talk a lot, you know, which is very helpful to me, and I guess to her, and I hope to her as well. But yeah, she don't want to be on the vlog. That's why I didn't show you guys. But yeah, I'm really happy. I'm really glad that we could do this, you know. So yeah, now I want to do my nails. I don't know if you guys noticed that I cut my nails. They were really long, so when I was doing Riley's hair, I think they were just disturbing me. It was quite uncomfortable to do her hair with long nails, so I cut them. I think I'm just gonna shape them a little bit and do the same pink that I have on my toes. I don't even know if I showed you guys my toes, but I can't. Ugh. I'll take a picture. I'll put a picture somewhere. So yeah, I'm gonna do my nails now, and I will show you guys how I do my nails. It's gonna take time though, but I'm gonna show you guys. I try to drink water because my lips are just, I think my lips are peeling. Maybe I don't drink enough water. I also have to undo my hair, but I think I'm gonna undo my hair tomorrow because yeah, today I'm gonna go to church later. So yeah, I don't even know if I should remove my makeup or not. I thought I was gonna do like a little photo shoot when I come back home, but I don't think so. I'm just too tired. I'm not tired. You get lazy a bit. That's where I am. But you know what? I have to do my nails. I'm gonna do my nails, so I'll show you guys, and then we'll talk later. Okay. Hi guys, so for my nails, I decided to just do a refill instead of just soaking my nails and starting from scratch. So you have a choice of using an e-file or just a normal file that you know. So I opted for the file. I don't know why, it's just for that day I chose this one. So I'm just filing down my nails, particularly the top coat and the little art that I had, because my previous nails were just rubber base and a little bit of line art with a black gel polish. So I'm just filing that off, and then I'm going to apply 2 coats of the nude rubber base, and then we'll take it from there. Once I'm done with my shaping and everything, I'm just gonna apply my rubber base. I'm using the elastic rubber base that you can get from Planet Nails in African Mall. This is the color Rose. Yes, it's the color Rose, but you can pick whichever one you prefer. After curing the 2 coats that I did, I'm gonna start with my art. I like to do art on my ring finger and my middle finger. So I'm just gonna use a white gel, a pink gel, as well as a gold gel, which you'll see towards the end. So just keep watching to see what I'm doing. I can't really explain anything right now. I believe the video does just that. I get all my nail inspirations from Pinterest or Instagram. So I just screenshot whatever I like and then I just try and do it. These are my two favorite girlies. Hey guys, so I managed to finish doing my nails. I think it's like about around 5 o'clock. Imagine. So I actually do one hand, finish, then I do the other hand. Sorry, I was reading a message. So yeah. So I'm waiting for my friend right now, Caitlin. We are going to church together. So yeah, I just thought I should fill you guys in. I literally haven't eaten anything since like the breakfast. That's how feeling it is. So yeah, I can really miss. Hey, bad hair days are a problem. I really need to undo my hair. Hey? We'll see. Really cute. I never really wear beanies, eh? This Caitlin. Hi guys. So I just got home from church. Yeah, and I wanted to end the vlog here, but I just remembered that I promised someone that I'd include this in my vlog that's coming tomorrow. So it's still a Tuesday, it's at night, obviously. So I got a DM the other day from a lovely lady, and she just asked me like to make a video on how I started my channel basically. And I think she's having trouble starting her channel, probably for the same reasons that I had or other YouTubers had, which I really wouldn't know, but I think, and I want to assume that a lot of us actually think about it a lot, and then it takes you some time to actually start your channel and be consistent while at it. So like I said before, like in my channel, I was talking about starting a channel for a very long time, like for years. I talked about it, but I never really started. I'd make excuses like I don't have a phone, I don't have a camera, I don't have this, I don't have that. Like all the time I had excuses, excuse after excuse after excuse. So one time my friend was like, dude, just start your channel already. Like literally, let's shoot. I'm like, are you serious? She's like, yeah. Yo, Becky Pata just makeup on me. We didn't even know what we were doing. We asked people around, even my friends asked like other YouTubers that they know, like on editing apps and stuff like that. Responses were not so nice. But you know what, I'm grateful for that because I learned my way through it. But I won't refuse to help somebody who needs help. Like if you really need help, DM me. Like I'll definitely help where I can. So I just wanted to say that I use InShot to edit my videos. I record videos with my iPhone. I use an iPhone XS Max, and I recently changed my settings to 4K with 60 I guess 60 mega something per second, but yeah, 4K and 60 something. But I used to use 1080 HD, I think. 1080. Nearly more 1080 the settings. So my front camera is still on 1080, and that's why I think sometimes you guys can notice that the quality is not the same. If I'm shooting with my front camera, it's not gonna be the same as me using my rear camera, which is the one with the highest quality. So yeah, I just wanted to say that when I started like my very first video, I was using my iPhone 5S, and it didn't even have memory, you guys. Like if I had told you the struggles that I had, even my friends know. Sometimes I'd take my friend's iPhone 6 so that I can combine the videos together. Like literally, I think even you could see the difference. All of it is a video like okay, how come suddenly things changed? I use natural lighting. I still do. I mean, I have a ring light, but I never use it. I think I used it once, so I use it as my tripod, like just to hold my camera. So I used to use boxes, literally. The boxes are cornflakes, and then my friend would hold the camera still, the phone still, like literally. If you move once, everything is ruined. We're gonna start the video from scratch. So I know, and I'm very grateful that I have friends and family that actually understand. Like even my cousin would just come sit here, get shoot the video, a whole 20-minute video. I saw the camera, I suit. I also hold sort of get it. It's a mess, but you know what? I think it's them just believing in me and me believing in myself and just trusting the process really. Like, and I always say that I like to see people see growth. Like when you see me, I want you to see growth. If you go to my Instagram, you scroll down, my picture quality and everything, lifestyle, everything has just been growing consistently, and that's what I feel like you guys should also see on my channel. So I upgraded my phone last year. It was a birthday present because somebody was just tired of hearing me complain about memory, complain about the quality, complain about every single thing. So they decided to get me at this phone. So I edit with my phone. I do everything with my phone. I record, edit, and post, and respond to you guys' comments with this very phone. So that's why sometimes I'm shooting content, like I can't show you guys behind the scenes or anything really. Like to just shoot with my phone while I'm using it for practically everything. I take pictures with it, like literally every single thing that you see me doing. Know that this phone is holding, okay? Like this phone is just shout out to this phone and the buyer. Shout out. So yeah, I think I covered everything that she wanted to know, but I think what she said was that she's using an Android phone, and really for me that doesn't matter. I watch people's videos, like I don't even care what phone you use, what camera you use, like I'm just gonna watch. So like once you post the first video, girl, text me, okay, DM me. I'm gonna subscribe to your channel, I'm gonna like that video, I'm gonna drop a comment. Literally, I'm gonna be your biggest supporter, okay? So yeah, I'm really grateful. My channel is growing. Like literally this week I've been getting subscribers every single day, and I'm just there like okay, hello, thank you. So I'm really grateful for you guys. But can I cancel hello or cancel makeup, but so yeah, I think I just wanted to touch on that before I actually close the video. Like your whatever you use doesn't matter. Whether you like, don't wait to have a camera. And I think every other YouTuber says that as well. Or like just start your channel. You'll grow as time goes on, you know. Figure what you want, what you like, and stuff like that. At first I started my channel because I wanted to do like motivational talks, because I feel like I've been through a lot as a young girl. So I just wanted to talk and inspire other young girls out there, or even older women, whatever, whoever can gain, you know, wisdom from our talks. But over time I realized that I want to post a video every single week, and not every single week will I have something to talk about. I mean, obviously I go through stuff, but I have to be ready emotionally to open up about it to the world, if it makes sense. Because I will get comments, like even face to face I will get comments of the stuff that I said on YouTube. So you can imagine that I'm generally a shy person. I don't open up a lot. So when I do come to YouTube and actually talk about something, it means that I've really processed it. I've talked to maybe like a professional about it, and I really am ready for the comments that may come, both positive and negative. I mean, I haven't gotten anything negative from you guys, and I'm really grateful, but you never really know. So I just always wait to be in the right space to have talks like that. So yeah, when I do have something, when I feel ready to talk about something, obviously we will sit down and talk about such, you know. But otherwise we will post like vlogs and stuff like that. So I think I just want you to know that sometimes you start something, or you start a channel because you want to shoot these videos or a type of a video, like maybe beauty content and stuff. But as you get into the YouTube space and watch it more, you get to realize, or maybe you change in a bit, you shift that from beauty maybe to lifestyle, maybe to vlogs or whatever it is. So yeah, that's just it. So the challenges I've had were that, but I use InShot for the most part. Once in a while I use InShot and iMovie, but I'm really happy with InShot so far. My music, I use music from InShot, and I'm still looking for new music to use. Obviously I know people use SoundCloud, but I know you have to buy. I think also people use epidemic sounds, something like that. I think you also pay for that. But there is audio library. I screen record my music on YouTube. Like, just go on your YouTube, search audio library, you'll find a million songs from that. So choose whatever one you like and screen record that. Then I get editor, I export, like I extract music from that video, I get screen recording. So I use that as my background music for my videos when I edit. So yeah, I think that's it for now. If I learn more things on YouTube, I'll definitely holla. So I watch a lot of YouTube. Also watch Erin on Demand. She I think I learned quite a number of things from her, like how to position my phone when I'm shooting with it, how to edit, how to do other stuff. So yeah, sometimes if I want to do something, like maybe if I saw it on another YouTuber, I just search what they did. So more, there's a time where I saw somebody blaring out like that video, I'm like, oh, can I do that? Yo, why did you give a cut? Anyways, thank you so much, you guys, for watching this vlog. I hope you will enjoy it. It has now turned into a start your channel. I didn't realize I was talking for so long until the camera cut, you guys. But yeah, I'm really grateful for you guys. Like, I don't even know how to express myself, but I'm really happy. Thank you so much for supporting me. Yeah, please do continue watching my videos, continue commenting on my videos and liking my videos. Like, literally, I think the more people like my videos and comment and engage on them, like, the more it attracts more people out there, like the more it's suggested to other people, hence why we are getting so many subscribers. I wanted to say subscribers, this phone keeps cutting me off. So bye guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you.